Today our topic is rounding of numbers. Rounding numbers. Rounding means making a number similar but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. Rounding to the nearest 10. Let's see the rules to round off numbers. If the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round the number up. If the number you are rounding is followed by 1, 2, 3 or 4, round the number down. Examples of rounding to the nearest 10. Let's see how to round number to the nearest 10. While rounding off number, keep this in your mind. Round down. Which all number you have to round down? The number that ends with 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to round down. And the number ends with 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, you have to round up. Okay? Now, first example, 38. You have to round to the nearest 10. So, underline the number in the tens place and look into the number in the ones place. If the number in the ones place is greater than or equal to 5, here it is 8, that means it is greater than 5. So, we have to round up. Round up which number? The number in the tens place. So, answer is 3 become 4 and ones place you can give 0. So, answer is 40. One more example I will show. Second example, 25. We have to round the tens place. So, we underline that number and look into the number in the ones place. Number in the ones place is 5. It is equal to 5, isn't it? The number which is equal to 5 or greater than 5 should round up. So, answer is, we can round this number, the number in the tens place. So, 2 become 3. Then balance we can put 0. In the ones place we give 0. Third example, 41. Okay, we have to round to the nearest 10. So, we underline the number in the tens place and let's see the number in the ones place. Ones place, it is 1 and it is less than 5. Less than 5. So, we have to round down. So, round down. While rounding down, no need to take the number before this. You can write the same number. While rounding down, you can write the same number in the tens place, 4. And the number in the ones place, you can put it as 0. Clear? Fourth example, 59. We have to round the number in the tens place. So, underline that number and look into the number in the ones place. It is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So, we have to round up. Round up. Round up. Up means you have to write the next number. After 5 it is 6. And balance you can put 0. Fifth example, 166. Okay. Underline the number in the tens place because we have to round it to the nearest 10 and look into the ones place. Ones place it is 6. That is greater than 5. We have to round up. We have to round up. So we can write this number as 1. We can write it as 1 itself. This number, the number in the tens place, we have to round up. Round up means next number. Write the next number after 6. It is 7. Then instead of 6, we can write there 0. Okay. Sixth example, 2512. Here also we will see to the tens place. In ones place it is 2. 2 is less than 5. So we have to round down. Round down. So answer is 2, 5. We can write it as 2, 5 itself. Then 1 we have to round down. Round down means we can write the same number 1 itself. And after that we can put 0. Seventh example, 67,873. Okay, 67,873. We have to round to the nearest 10. So we underline the tens place and look into the number in the ones place. The number in the ones place is 3 and it is less than 5. So we have to round down. We have to round down. So what will be the answer? These number we can write it as same itself, 6, 7, 8. Then tens place we have to round down. Round down means we can write the same number 7. Then balance number after that we can put 0. Clear?